A very good morning to you, my dear students, and welcome to the class of storytelling. The name of the story is Duckling's Friends. One morning, Duckling went to the pond to find her friends. "What are you doing, Frog?" she asked. "I am hopping on lily pads," said Frog. "Why don't you try it?" Duckling was good at hopping on the grass, but she was too heavy for the lily pads. Duckling looked down into the water and saw fish swimming lazily in the sunshine. "The water is lovely and warm today," said Fish. "Come and swim." So Duckling glided over the water using her big feet as paddles, and Fish swam underneath her. Duckling looked up and saw Dragonfly in the air. "I am swimming," she told him. "I am flying," said Dragonfly. "You should try it." It took off again and landed right on the top of Frog's nose. "I don't think Frog would like it if I did that," said Duckling. "I can fly too," said Kingfisher, "and I can dive. Watch me, Duckling." And she dived from a tree branch straight into the pond. "I can dive too, and I can hop," said Frog. "I can't hop, but I can swim," said Fish. "I can't swim, but I can fly," said Dragonfly. "Everyone can do something special," said Duckling happily.